Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure DevOps org, a repo, and a service connection. Once those exist, create Azure Pipelines. YAML in your repo root and pick the YAML pipeline option. Make sure to register an agent pool or use Microsoft-hosted agents. You need permission to queue builds. Then add a short pipeline that checks out code and runs a simple build task so you verify connectivity. This first run proves the pipeline can access the repo, and the agent can execute jobs. Once the basic run succeeds, extend the YAML with clear stages. Build, test, deploy. You should define jobs per stage and include steps for tooling, like .NET Build or npm install. This organizes parallelism and failures. Use templates to reuse common jobs and pass parameters for dev versus prod settings. Make sure to publish artifacts after tests and configure release gates or approvals to prevent accidental deployment. These middle steps enforce quality and make rollouts predictable and repeatable. To finish, wire pipeline triggers for branches or PRs and enable branch policies so builds gate merges. Configure pipeline variables, secrets in variable groups, and retention rules for storage. Once done, validate a full end-to-end run to confirm deployments. If something fails, inspect the job logs closely, enable debug variables, and rerun the failed job with a smaller scope. A key tip: flaky tests cause the most pain. Quarantine or fix them, and make sure to rerun only the failed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.